Delta 568, hold short of runway 36 right. Sierra Tango Papa Foxtrot Mike, wind 170 at 16, runway 36 right, cleared for takeoff.
Holding short runway 36 right, Delta 568.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 36 right, Sierra Tango Papa Foxtrot Mike. Thank you, Sierra Tango Papa Foxtrot Mike.
Zulu Kilo Tango Uniform Golf Super, is on final runway 35 right, full stop.
November 327 Juliet Bravo, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Wilco, November 327 Juliet Bravo, Zulu Kilo Tango Uniform Golf Super, go around, fly runway heading runway 35 right.
Going around, fly runway heading runway 35 right, Zulu Kilo Tango Uniform Golf Super.
Zulu Kilo Tango Uniform Golf Super, contact RGNL approach east 2 on 133.52.
Contacting RGNL approach east 2 on 133.52, Zulu Kilo